today it's all about unboxing a USB jump drive. And you may think, why in the world do I even care about a USB jump drive? Because you're a photographer and you should share your work to others who purchase your work, or just maybe some potential clients, on a USB jump drive with a little extra tease. If you're new to the channel, this is all about macro and landscape photography, and I give you new videos every Thursday. So if you're new, subscribe and also hit the bell, so this way you get an email every time I upload a new video for you. So let's get to it. So let's go ahead. It's not super, I already opened it, and it doesn't have a lot of, steps and tutorials like most things, but it's nice. I got a little thank you card and thank you for your purchase, and a website, and also a 10% off my next order. So here is the jump drives. And I got this too that was in the box, and if any of you guys know what this is, let me know, because I don't. There's no instructions. It holds on to something maybe for the jump drive, so definitely let me know down in the comments. This channel is all about pushing your comfort zone and getting to learn new things, but I like to broaden things out and go into business sectors and anything that can help you really move your work forward. So you take a bunch of video tutorials and you learn all this stuff, and then it sits on your computer. No, we don't want it to sit in your computer. So this is a great item to get your stuff out nowadays. They're reasonable now because everything's on the cloud, but yet, just like photographs, it feels so good to hold things in your hand. These are individually packed, as you could see, and they're kept very nice and clean. This is an 8 gig jump drive. But if you could see that it actually has my membership program. So it says SJP AF Stopper, which is Adventurer of the F Stoppers. So let's go ahead and get to the computer just so I can share with you how easy and fast, it's a fast drive. It's pretty cool. So let's go check it out now. Okay, and you'll see that it popped up right here where it says no name, and then obviously you can name it. Just click on the no name and then give it a name. So I would, let's try this, AF Stopper. Thanks. You can get whatever you want, but this one's an 8 gig and it's reasonable price. So if I jump all my goodies into, come on now, here we go. So if I jump them all in here, I could add tons of information because it's such a big drive. So, it's really fast. I mean, I'm picking up things really quick. That's a TIFF file. Here's a JPEG file that's, small, but it's a great place to put anything that's important. I'm going to add a video on here that's special for the lifetime member. They can use it in Windows or Macs. I'm on a Mac right now. When you become a lifetime member, you get this jump drive for free, plus the little goodies that are going to be inside this just for lifetime memberships. So this is what I'm doing. What you guys should do as photographers is put your work on here, and if there's somebody that has purchased your image, send this to them, thank them, add the image that they have purchased or something else, maybe totally different, a thank you video, anything. They'll remember you because you will have your logo up here, and it will be a special gift. And what's really nice, look, it's magnetic. How cool is that? Now, I got this from Memory Direct, and the link will be down below. You can see up here what their website looks like, and you can see that they have a variety of different types of USB. But I personally
just loved the wooden feel to it. They even make jump drives, special jump drives just for you. So I highly, highly recommend this so you can really improve and go forward with your photography journey as selling and getting your work out there. If you like this idea, give it a thumbs up.
To see more information about the company that I received this from and also the variety of fun that you can have with these, then just check out my website at sullivanjphotography.com.